Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I've been using the ESPN app to stream live games and highlights, but when it suddenly stopped working, it got really frustrating. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to fix the ESPN Plus application so that you could get back to watching without any interruptions. So first of all, you just have to simply come out of your ESPN application, then open your Google Play Store or App Store, and here in the search bar you need to simply search for ESPN. Now once you are able to find ESPN application, you just have to simply tap on it and then check if you see any update option over here. If you see update, you need to simply tap on that and update your application to the latest version. After that, you need to open your app and check if you are facing any kind of issues now. If you see that the issue is still there, you can just simply try the second method, in which you just have to simply check your internet connection. So sometimes when your internet connection is poor, it will not going to work for any of the applications. So you can try this trick, in which you will have to simply swipe down your notification bar and tap on the airplane mode once. Then wait for 5 seconds and tap on the airplane mode again. So what this will do is it will just get you offline, and it will just improve your internet speed. So once your internet connection is good, you just have to simply launch your ESPN application again and your problem will be fixed. So if these solutions helped you to troubleshoot this problem, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more app solutions, and you can check the description for helpful links as well. Thanks for watching and enjoy the game.